What if one robot could fly over obstacles, then land and continue driving across rough terrain? That was our original vision. The problem was, we had no idea how difficult that would actually be.
When we first started this project, we weren't thinking small. We wanted to build a robot that could transform between an unmanned aerial vehicle and an unmanned ground vehicle. Imagine landing after a flight, folding its arms automatically, switching configurations and continuing its mission on the ground. That sounds futuristic, and honestly, that was why we loved the idea.
On paper, almost anything is possible. As we started turning ideas into engineering calculations, reality began to catch up with us. Every additional moving mechanism meant extra weight. Extra weight meant larger motors. Larger motors required larger batteries. Larger batteries increased structural requirements, and every new subsystem increased costs, manufacturing complexity, and the chances of failure.
This was one of our first major engineering lessons. Every design decision affects 10 others. Nothing works in isolation.
At this point, we had a choice. Should we continue pursuing an impressive idea that carried significant technical risk, or should we redesign the system to maximize the chances of delivering a reliable working prototype?
This wasn't accepting defeat, it was engineering.
Instead of creating a transformable platform, we designed a unified system where the UAV and UGV worked together as one integrated vehicle.
This single decision simplified almost every part of the project.
Looking back today, I still believe our original concept is achievable, but not within the constraints we faced as engineering students. You see, engineering isn't about building the most complicated designs or systems, but building the right one.
Fortunately, our supervisor immediately supported the project. He encouraged us to think beyond conventional final year projects while also reminding us to maintain realistic. That balance between ambition and practicality became one of our defining principles throughout the project.
When building your own engineering projects, don't become too emotionally attached to your first idea. Be willing to simplify, be willing to redesign, and most importantly, let engineering evidence guide your decisions.
Now that the design was finalized, it was finally time to stop imagining and start building.